Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Do you mind if I join you? The cafe is quite busy today.
Of course, no problem. Please have a seat. Thanks. By the way, I'm Joy. Nice to meet you, Joy. I'm Jamie.
Nice to meet you too, Jamie. Do you come here often?
Yes, I love this cafe. They have the best coffee and pastries. How about you? It's my first time here. A friend recommended it. What do you usually order?
I usually get a cappuccino and a croissant. They bake their pastries fresh every morning. That sounds delicious. I think I'll try that too. So, what do you do for a living?
I'm a graphic designer. I work freelance, so I often come here to get some work done. How about you?
I'm a software engineer. I work for a tech company downtown. Working from a cafe sounds nice.
It is. The change of scenery helps with creativity. Plus, the coffee is a bonus. Do you work from home or the office?
Mostly from the office, but we have flexible hours, so I work from home sometimes. What projects are you working on these days?
I'm currently designing a website for a local nonprofit. It's a rewarding project because it's for a good cause. How about you? Any interesting projects? I'm working on a new app for managing personal finances. It's challenging but exciting. By the way, do you have any hobbies? I love hiking and painting. On weekends, I usually go hiking in the mountains. How about you? I enjoy reading and playing the guitar. Hiking sounds fun. Do you go to any specific trails?
Yes, there's a beautiful trail at Blue Mountain. The view from the top is amazing. You should check it out sometime. I will. Do you go alone or with friends? Sometimes alone, but usually with a group of friends. It's more fun that way. What kind of books do you like to read? I love mystery novels. They keep me on the edge of my seat. Do you read much? Occasionally. I prefer non-fiction, especially books on art and design. Any recommendations for a good mystery novel?
I've always been fascinated by computers and problem solving. Software engineering allows me to create solutions that can make a difference in people's lives. Any travel plans coming up? I'm planning a trip to Europe next year. I want to visit the art museums in Paris and Amsterdam. How about you? Any upcoming trips?
I'm planning a road trip along the coast. It's something I've always wanted to do. Do you have a favorite travel destination?
Italy's my favorite. The art, history, and food are amazing. Where would you like to visit?
Japan is at the top of my list. The culture and technology there are fascinating. Do you travel often?
Not as much as I'd like, but I try to take at least one big trip a year. It's great to experience new places and cultures. What do you like to do when you travel?
I enjoy exploring local cuisine and visiting historical sites. It's a great way to learn about a place's culture. Do you keep a travel journal or sketchbook?
Yes, I do. It's a nice way to capture memories and inspirations. What's your favorite travel memory?
Visiting the Grand Canyon. The sheer size and beauty were breathtaking.
Do you have any other interests or hobbies?
I enjoy cooking. It's relaxing and rewarding to make a good meal. Do you cook? Yes, I love trying new recipes. Italian cuisine is my favorite to cook. What's your specialty?
I make a pretty good lasagna. It's always a hit with friends and family. Any favorite dishes you like to cook?
I love making risotto. It takes time, but the result is worth it. Well, it was great talking to you. I should get back to my work now.
Likewise, Jamie. Enjoy your work and have a great day.
You too. Maybe we'll run into each other here again. I hope so. Take care.
Bye.